Have you ever wondered why some interracial relationships flourish while others falter? In our increasingly globalized world, interracial relationships are becoming more prevalent. They present a unique and beautiful blend of cultures, offering a richer understanding of the world around us. However, these relationships also come with their own set of challenges. Navigating cultural differences, countering societal judgment, and seeking family acceptance can be daunting tasks. But it's important to remember that every relationship, regardless of its cultural makeup, comes with its own unique hurdles. The success of interracial relationships often hinges on how effectively couples handle these challenges. It's about understanding and embracing each other's cultures, countering societal judgment with resilience, and seeking acceptance and understanding from family members. Each relationship is a journey of learning, understanding, and growth. To delve deeper into this topic, we've gathered insights from renowned relationship experts. Dr. Terry Orbuch, a relationship expert, believes that communication is vital in interracial relationships. And truly, it's hard to argue with such a sentiment. In a world where cultures intermingle and love knows no boundaries, open dialogue becomes the bridge that connects two hearts together, despite their diverse backgrounds. Dr. Orbuch emphasizes the importance of discussing cultural differences, expectations, and biases. She says, in an interracial relationship, it's crucial not to shy away from conversations about cultural differences. Each person brings their own unique cultural lens to the relationship, which shapes their expectations and experiences. She further elaborates that biases, though often unconscious, can seep into the relationship. By acknowledging these biases and discussing them openly, couples can better understand each other, fostering a stronger bond. It's not about changing who you are, Dr. Orbuch notes, but about understanding who your partner is, and how their culture influences their thoughts and actions. On the other hand, psychologist Dr. David Matsumoto highlights another critical aspect of interracial relationships: empathy. He believes that understanding isn't enough, it needs to be complemented with empathy. Understanding is the brain's response to differences, Dr. Matsumoto says, but empathy is the heart's. It's about feeling what your partner feels, seeing the world through their eyes. He goes on to suggest that navigating cultural differences requires not just understanding the what and the why, but also feeling the how. It's about immersing oneself in the partner's cultural experiences, embracing their joys and sharing their pains. Both Dr. Orbuch and Dr. Matsumoto's views highlight the essence of interracial relationships. They are a beautiful blend of two cultures, two histories, and two lives. They require not just love but also a deep understanding of each other's backgrounds, a willingness to communicate openly, and a heart that empathizes. As we can see, these experts agree that these relationships require a blend of communication, understanding, and empathy. And indeed, it is this blend that forms the foundation of a successful interracial relationship, providing the strength to overcome any challenge and the resilience to grow stronger with every shared experience. So, what are some effective strategies for fostering a successful interracial relationship? First and foremost, it is essential to learn about each other's culture. Embrace the diversity of your partner's background and delve into the rich tapestry of their heritage. This is not just about food, music, or traditional festivals. It's about understanding the values, beliefs, and practices that have shaped your partner's worldview. By doing so, you show respect for your partner's identity and create a shared understanding that can strengthen your bond. Now let's pause for a moment to consider the words of Dr. Marisa Franco, a renowned psychologist. She emphasizes the importance of demonstrating respect for your partner's cultural background. This means not just tolerating but truly appreciating the unique aspects of their culture. It's about recognizing that these differences are a part of what makes your partner who they are. And it's about showing genuine interest in learning more about their heritage. Another key strategy is engaging in open and honest communication. This is a cornerstone in any relationship, but it becomes even more critical in an interracial relationship. Conversations about race and culture can be challenging, but they are necessary. Don't shy away from these discussions. Instead, approach them with an open mind and a willingness to listen and learn. Remember, it's okay to ask questions, it's okay to not know everything. What's important is that you're willing to learn and grow together. Finally, developing a strong support system is crucial. Surround yourselves with friends and family who understand and support your relationship. It's unfortunate, but not everyone will understand or accept your relationship. Having a solid support system can help you navigate through those difficult times. Remember, every relationship requires effort and understanding, but interracial relationships may require a bit more due to the cultural differences. So, keep these strategies in mind and you'll be well on your way to fostering a successful interracial relationship. So, what have we learned about the key to a successful interracial relationship? We've journeyed through the paradigm of interracial relationships, heard from experts, and explored strategies for success. Now let's summarize the key points we've discussed. These are the elements that, while crucial in any relationship, may require extra attention in interracial relationships. First, communication is king. It's through open and honest conversation that we build bridges, resolving misunderstandings and fostering connection. In an interracial relationship, communication takes on an additional layer of complexity as you navigate cultural nuances. It's not just about speaking, it's about listening, understanding, and valuing what your partner has to say. Second, understanding is vital. It's about appreciating the beauty of your partner's culture and the richness it brings to your relationship. It's about acknowledging the differences and finding common ground. It's about learning, growing, and evolving together. Next, we have empathy. It's the ability to step into your partner's shoes, to feel their joy, their pain, their struggles, and their triumphs. In an interracial relationship, empathy can be a powerful tool in bridging cultural gaps and fostering a deeper bond. Respect is another cornerstone. It's about valuing your partner's beliefs, traditions, and experiences. It's about recognizing their individuality and cherishing the diversity they bring into your life. Respect is about being willing to learn and grow from each other's differences. Finally, a strong support system is essential. Friends, family, and community who understand, accept, and celebrate your relationship can be a powerful buffer against societal pressures. They can provide encouragement, advice, and a sense of belonging. Remember, these elements are not exclusive to interracial relationships, they're universal. They're the foundation of any healthy, loving relationship. But within the context of an interracial relationship, they may require that extra bit of attention, that extra bit of understanding, that extra bit of love. As we embrace diversity, let's also embrace the beauty and richness that interracial relationships